In this video, you will learn how you can see video tags on YouTube. Sometimes you will see videos that are doing so well and you wish to see the tags used. Although tags are said not to be too relevant on YouTube today, that is a story for another day. But if you want to see the tags used in a video, let me quickly show you how you can find out. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. We'll be using an app to see the video tags on YouTube. So head to the store now. Head to the store. We'll be installing Tag You. The name of the app is Tag You. We'll be downloading Tag You. Install Tag You. Give all the permissions, and I will quickly show you how you can see tags used in videos on YouTube. Open. This is the app, Tag You. This is it. Do not completely copy keywords that are used in a smart way. Okay. It is installing now. Once it is done, I will show you how you can see tags used in videos. You can just modify them to your own taste. With tags, you will see trends. You will know why this video is getting so much engagement or views. It might be what viewers are looking for. You can make your own video using the keywords. Tag You is now completely installed. You can see some of the things you can do with this app. You can use it to suggest keyword, find competitor, find the top tags of today, get tags from URL, build YouTube backlinks, and so much more. So let's get to YouTube now. We get to YouTube. Look for a video that has maybe views or engagement. We want to find out the tags used in this video. Okay, this is my own video. Let me copy the link to this video, click on share. I just clicked on the three dots next to the video title. Click on the three dots here, select share, copy link. This is how you can copy a video link on YouTube. It is now copied. So we will now get to Tag You. Click on get tags from URL. Click on get tags on URL. Paste YouTube video link and click check. This is where we'll be pasting the video link here. Just press, paste the link you just copied. You press and hold and paste the link you just copied. Click on check. Click on check. These are the tags that were used in this video. So if you want to see the video tag, this is how you can find it. So let's get to another video now. We are heading to YouTube again. I want to pick a video that is not mine this time. Let's pick a video that is not mine and look for the video tags. Let's look for a video. I think this one is okay. Share. Copy link. The link is now copied. So we'll come here again. I will be deleting this. Press and hold. Paste. This is the video link. Click on check. These are the tags used in this particular video. This is it. You can see the video here. These are the tags used. The last example now. Let's just pick a random video. copy the link, head to tag you. I will delete this now. I will delete this. Just press and hold. Paste, click check. These are the tags. These are the video tags used in this video. Okay? This is how you can see video tags on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.